Start the assembly of the 0.8-liter hopper weighing head. First, assemble the low-cell module. Below are the parts for the low-cell module. First, attach the load cell to the load cell upper connector with screws. But do not tighten the screws yet. Pay attention to the load cell orientation. The arrow on the load cell should point downward. Then align the lower end of the lower load cell connector with the arrow direction. Fasten the screws, verify correct alignment, then tighten completely. Install the load cell protection plate, noting front, back orientation. Secure with screws initially without tightening. Insert a 0.35到0.5毫米 thickness gauge or stainless plate between protection plate and connector. Adjust the protection plate until it contacts the gauge. Then fully tighten the protection plate screws. Take off the gauge. Finish.